Hi, welcome to the Complete Ethical Hacking course. I'm Atil and I teach more than 100,000 students on Udemy on programming and ethical hacking courses. Today, along with the Code Stars, we bring you one of the most comprehensive ethical hacking courses ever created online. Not only you will be able to learn how to use ethical hacking tools in order to understand how hackers do their attacks on systems, computers, networks, websites and users, but also you will learn how to protect yourselves against these attacks. On the top of that, at the end of this course, you will be able to write your own ethical hacking tools with Python. That's right, this course has it all, and the best thing is you don't have to have any prior experience in order to complete this course. We're going to start from scratch and we're going to make our way into the details, so if you're ready, let's get started.